Hi guys, so we've got a fun one here. Um, I bought this last year. There's a few reasons I haven't made a video on it, but I wanted to get a quick video in because I'm going to be putting it into storage for a little while. So this is an IBM 5160 XT, as you can see back there. Let's see, 8082, so it's probably an 84 model. So when I was poking around on eBay last summer of 2020, and somebody had this 5151 monitor and its accompanying 5160, both with the original box. And this monitor, you can kind of tell, is super clean. There's almost no yellowing, nothing is cracked or broken. I put a bid in for $100, I think it was, not expecting to win, and did. And they wanted a lot to ship it, but it was still equal to or cheaper than other 5151s that were available. So I was going to go after the matching computer. It had a Hercules card, 2 RAM cards, a couple other upgrades, but the seller said that the hard drive had gone bad, and because they couldn't verify that the hard drive had no information on it, they refused to include it. So that kind of soured me on it, because at the very least I would rather have a bad MFM hard drive to display and use an XT IDE adapter anyway. This one was up, and while the case is not quite as clean as the other one, it's still very, very clean and in really nice condition. As you can see, there's even almost no dust inside this thing. And I don't see battery either, which is really nice. We have 2 drive controllers. Yep, it's 2 drive controllers, 5¼ inch floppy. I believe it's a 10 megabyte hard drive. And we have a parallel card. So this one does not have any upgraded memory with it. I don't remember what it has on it, whether it's 128 or 256. This has become more of a museum piece than something that I would ever actually use, because when I bought this, Model F keyboards were not that hard to be had for 120 shipped, and now that's about doubled. So I've not done anything past the error code on the boot screen, just because no keyboard. But it does power on, and we will power it on and let you see it and hear it and have a little bit of fun there. So I do want to get a video of it powering on with the cover off. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll put it together, and then we'll power it up. Alright, we will go ahead and give it a little smoke test here. And we will $256K of main memory, no keyboard. Obviously, I don't expect that hard drive to last too awful much longer with how quickly it spins down, but that is still so satisfying to hear it spin up. Alright, let's throw the cover on it, and then we'll do a audio boot. Alright, well that was a royal pain to put back together, but we got it. I think the only other thing I need to mention is that this is one where the monitor plugs into the PC directly, and that's where the monitor gets its power. The monitor does not actually have a external power cable. So if you've ever wondered what these are for on a power supply, that's it.